I am at the CFRAC conference and I wanted to show you about something that I've been showing people here. So there's this DCB double cantilever beam experiment that we've been doing, where if you move a long time, you will see that the cracks opening like that. And DIC, of course, gives you the ability to measure the displacement. So when you, for instance, your image this number earlier, so it gives you the ability to measure the crack opening, of course, and to look at this profile. But generally what people do is looking at the opening at certain location, and they have like this curve over time, of course. But what's interesting is how is crack propagating. So we've come up with a little script that can help you do that, that will post-process this opening, but for every node of this list here. And I will show you right now that this small Python script that I'm running with only a few parameters. And when I run it, it's going to analyze the whole data set that I've exported in CSV format. And this is going to be identifying where the crack tip is kind of located within this data set. So here it's nearly over. I've run the script and it's analyzing this whole list of images. See, there's a large number of images, and this way we can track, with the criteria for the opening, we can track the location of the crack along the test, and this is, as you say, pretty straightforward. So yeah, a little bit of fun with crack propagation.